Arriving at the hotel. Arrive at the hotel. I arrive at the hotel. Get out of the taxi. I get out of the taxi. Take my
handle.
suitcase. I take my suitcase.
Okay, I got
Walk
Checking in,
into
please.
the hotel. I walk into the hotel.
Welcome, how may I help you?
Look around the lobby. I look around the lobby. Go to the front desk.
Hello, I have a reservation under
I
Miller.
go to
Welcome,
the
let me check
front
that for you.
desk. Wait in line. I wait in line. Smile at
Good
the
evening, I
receptionist.
have a reservation under Miller.
I smile
course, let me check
at
that
the
for you, Miss Miller.
receptionist. Show
Here is
my
my passport.
passport.
Thank you.
I show
Thank you.
my
Checking you in
passport.
now.
Tell
Hello, my
them
name is
my
Eleanor
name.
Vance. I have a
I
reservation.
tell them my name. Checking in.
I have a reservation
Confirm
under the
my
name Violet.
reservation.
Yes, Miss Violet, we found your reservation.
I
Great,
confirm
thank you so
my
much. You're
reservation.
welcome.
Ask
Excuse
about
me,
my
I have a
room.
reservation. Could
I
you please check
ask
on my room for me?
about my room.
Welcome, how can I help you?
Get my
Hi, I
room
have a
key.
reservation under the name Plon.
I get
yes, here's your
my
key card.
room key.
Thank you very much.
Take
Thank you
the
very
key
much.
card.
You're welcome. Enjoy
I
your stay.
take the key card.
Excuse
Ask
me, could
for
you tell me how to
Wi-Fi
connect to the Wi-Fi?
information.
Of course, here is the
I
information
ask
card.
for the Wi-Fi
Thank you so much, I
information.
appreciate it.
Ask
Excuse
about
me, could you tell me
breakfast
what time
time.
breakfast is served?
I
Breakfast is from
ask
7
about
to 10 a.m.
breakfast
Thank
time.
you very much.
Ask
Excuse me, could
where
you tell me where
the
the elevator
is.
Certainly, it's just down this
I
hall and to the
ask
left.
where the elevator is.
Thank you so much for your
Thank
help.
the
I appreciate it.
receptionist. I thank the receptionist. Walk to the elevator. I walk to the elevator. Go
Almost
up
there.
to my
Just a
floor.
few more floors.
I go up to my floor. Entering the room. Find
not quite.
my room
Let's keep
number. I find
here it is,
my
room 207.
room number. Open the hotel room door. I open the hotel room door. Walk into the
Wow,
room.
this is perfect.
I walk
I know,
into
right?
the
It's
room.
beautiful.
Turn on the lights. I turn on the lights. Put my suitcase down. I put my suitcase down. Look around the
A
room.
desk, a window.
I look
All good.
around the room. Put my bag on the bed. I put my bag on the bed. Open the curtains. I open the curtains. Check the bathroom.
All right, let's check the bathroom.
I check
clean
the
and nice.
bathroom.
Perfect.
Sit down and relax. I sit down
is exactly
and
what I
relax. Getting comfortable. Take off my shoes. I take off my shoes. Unpack my clothes. I unpack my clothes. Hang up my jacket. I hang up my jacket. Put my passport in
It's
the
safe
drawer.
now.
I put my passport in the drawer.
Time to
Charge my phone. I charge my phone. Connect to the Wi-Fi. I connect to the Wi-Fi. Wash my
that
face.
feels so refreshing after a long trip.
I wash my face. Take a shower. I take a shower. Lie down on
so
the bed.
good to finally lie down.
I lie down on the bed. Rest for a while. I rest for a while. Hotel routine.
Yes, I'd like to
Call
order some room
room
service, please.
service. I call
Yes, that sounds
room
lovely.
service.
Thank you. Yes, I'd like to order
Order
some food, please.
some food.
Could I have the mushroom risotto and a glass of
I
lemonade?
order
Perfect. Room
some
42.
food.
Thank you so much.
Eat in my room. I eat in my room. Watch TV. I watch
Oh,
TV.
I love this one.
Set
Okay,
my
alarm set for 6
alarm.
a.m. Good night.
I set my alarm.
Time
Turn
for sleep.
off the
Good
lights.
night, world.
I turn off the lights. Go to sleep. I go to sleep. Wake up early. I wake up early. Get ready to go out. I get ready to go out. Leave the hotel room. I leave the hotel room.